Okay, yes, okay. Today, Thursday, let's quickly look at the market we have opened already, but I'm gonna wait for till 10. So let me quickly explain what happened. So yesterday we had like a huge, not a huge, but like a good update. AM went higher, lunch went higher, PM went higher, and took down this high, and we left this. Yeah, we left it there. So we opened with the new day opening right here. Went a little bit higher, went lower, higher, lower. What do people think this is gonna be? Gonna be some sort of bull flag. So what they want to see is bam, bam, bam. That's what Vito thinks. That is what I think almost anyone want to see. And I'm bullish as well. I would look for higher. What I want to see right now is, let's quickly look at the news first. So what did we have today? We had Fed chair at 2:30. So it could also be a reason for it to stall a bit. And that's also a reason why I'm gonna wait for 10. If no news on 10, but I'm just gonna wait. And also a reason is, look at this, the RTH is 2 handles. So what I want to see it open is a straight down higher towards this new opening gap. Vito's gonna think breakout, boom, and they're gonna buy this. What I want to see is it go through this towards these levels right here and look for highs. See you on the 1 hour. We have down delivery, up delivery. So I mark this as a BPR, so price for me doesn't need to go all the way down here. It could touch the high, it could touch the midpoint, it could touch the low. But for me, I'm looking for buys. But for me, it doesn't need to visit this area for me to go and place a long trade. So we just need to have patience. Let's quickly look at ES as well. You see some retail. Back in the day, I learned something about this, I think. So I don't know which pattern this was. We went above it here already. Take down this high right here. Touch it again, so people are, I would say, also on ES go long, and also the RTH here is quite small. With it to lower quadrant. For me, it could go to midpoint, or it could go back in the range. For me, it's 50-50. First presented here. Okay, so we're getting closer towards the 10. Let's quickly get close towards the 10. You're taking out a low here again. Yes. There's also making no lows, no S&T or so. And as I said, yes, you had this like this, and then yes went above it. So yes faked out some people. And Q maybe does now too, because this is also a breakout. $9.50 till 10. 10 is the macro right here. I said I was gonna wait. I waited. Yes, took this sell side right here. And it is busy. YM almost close to the sell side. Almost to the sell side. Yes is good for me. If you look at Dixie, I'm neutral on Dixie. I try not to look as much on so I bought 5 right there, put my stop here. Targeting this buy side right here. Seems like he is gonna make another low low. Let's look at. Okay, so we hit it at higher quality on the daily wick. It's the mark where I said I was going to wait, and I said I was going to look for buys more, because for me this is better. It doesn't need to come all the way down here. If you're going to go a bit lower, that's fine. Or now I see this as like a fake move lower, and I'm going to see it higher. So we see this as an short-term low, intermediate low. This should be staying intact. This low also should be staying intact. Yes, right here. So yes, we hit this like daily order block, this down candle. With like a S&T version. For now, I want to see it go higher. So we also swept the sell side right here. So swept the sell side. Now I want to see it go towards the buy side, because I'm still bullish. It took down this lows right here. With this wick, we have a lot of wicks on YM. Hit the lower quadrant and now go higher. That's what I want to see also there. I could have added one right there. I would add one more. And I can move my stop a little bit towards this short-term low. Give it one more chance right here on this city. If I'm wrong about today, then if like accumulation right here, then we're gonna go with speed, and I think that we're gonna go towards the PPR right here. Maybe even trading down all the way down here. That's if I'm wrong right here. Well, for now, just not focus on that. Just focus on the high prices. Let's say I'm wrong about today, then I would say maybe this 1 hour PPR and this first presented of yesterday. Also, the RTH right here is open. We got stopped right there. As soon as I said I don't want to see that, we got stopped. We had the chance to go break even, so I'm gonna put that in my journal that we had the chance, but we simply didn't do that. So here's after the fact that we took the losses. Let's go to here. Yeah, so we took the loss right here. I was simply wrong that we not traded higher from this high quadrant, but we went deeper. And it was a little bit of a lower probability, because yeah, we could have gone a bit deeper. That's what I said also. We could have gone a bit deeper and then go look for long. But yeah, I went long right here, and it rolled over lower. And I said this 1 hour BPR could have my eye, and I think it's gonna be traded down too. So I'm looking for these levels right here, and after that, I could maybe do something in PM. But for now, it's done. Maybe in PM I will be there. Maybe depends on what lunch is gonna do. So yeah, that will be it.